SB101110 SPL Suction Type Blasting Machine with Belt Conveyor and Automatic Gun Reciprocation System. National Enterprises custom-made SB101110 SPL works on the suction induction principle of blast cleaning. A timer is provided for automatic blast cleaning or surface preparation of components loaded into the machine. Nozzle reciprocation is controlled by a speed control valve and adjusted by limit switches. The automatic gun reciprocation system enables achieving a uniform finish up to a stroke length of 500 mm. Blast cleaning or surface preparation in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Load the component or batch manually. Step 2. Turn the machine on following the respective steps. Step 3. Sit back while the components undergo blast cleaning or surface preparation. A rubberized perforated belt conveyor is provided at the inlet and outlet of the cabinet to convey the job inside the blasting zone. Step 4. Unload the components manually. Motorized bag shaking arrangement. As soon as the operator shuts the dust collector off, the motorized shaker automatically turns on. Analyze, customize and personalize blast cleaning machines with us. We manufacture a variety of sand, shot, and abrasive blast cleaning machines. Whether your application is unique or standard, we have machines that will fit your needs and your budget. Each machine can be tailored according to your requirement and component or job size. Contact us now to place your order. Link in bio.